Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Now we are on the Portmore Expressway and we're going over the Causeway Bridge. Now, we're trying to figure out what the widest bridge in Jamaica is. The Rio Mino Bridge that's being built in Clarendon, NAA says that's going to be the widest bridge in Jamaica. But some people say the Harbour View Bridge and this bridge, the Causeway Bridge, is wider. So this is the actual bridge. Now the reason why people are saying that is because this bridge is 6 lanes, but the Rio Mino Bridge is 4 lanes. But now that we're driving over the bridge and actually paying attention to it, I think the Rio Mino Bridge is wider, because although the Causeway Bridge is 6 lanes, it's not very wide. You could have 2 lanes or 4 lanes on the Rio Mino Bridge that are wider. Now the Harbour View Bridge seems bigger, but NAA is a National Works Agency and they are responsible for all the bridges in Jamaica. So I think they should know, or they should be the expert in telling us which one is the widest bridge. But that's the Causeway Bridge that we just went over, and I think persons were saying the Causeway Bridge is wider because it's 6 lanes, but those 6 lanes aren't very wide. So I'm beginning to believe that the Rio Mino Bridge will be wider. But the thing is, the Rio Mino Bridge is still under construction. It's a part of Highway 2000 and it's not finished yet, so you can't drive over it. We have videos up of the bridge under construction. The structure is up, but the roadway is not open. I don't even think it's fully paved yet, but you can definitely see how wide the bridge will be. So what do you guys think? We just looked at the Causeway Bridge. We have a lot of videos up of the Harbour View Bridge and the Rio Mino Bridge, so you can take a look at it, or if you're familiar with the bridge, you can let us know what you think as to what the widest bridge in Jamaica is. Okay, so we're now at the Portmore. We're on the Portmore Expressway, and this is the toll plaza, the Portmore Toll Plaza, where you pay toll. This is a toll road, so you have to pay to use it. This road is actually a part of Highway 2000, and all of Highway 2000 is a toll road. So they recently put up these boards, these display boards. That's new. Didn't see this before. They're advertising on it, so that's new. Oh, you raise the toll again. So when this increase come into effect?
From July.
Really? Alright. Alright, so we just went through the toll plaza, and you can hear from the conversation the toll rate increased again. It's like every time you go through this place, the toll is a different rate. So we are in a class 2 vehicle, it's an SUV, so we paid $550 to use the toll plaza. And of course class 1 would be less and class 3 would be more. So we're driving into the municipality of Portmore now, and you can connect from this leg of the highway to the east-west leg, or the PJ Patterson Highway. So all the highways in Jamaica are going to be interconnected when they're finished. And this highway was actually one of the first highways built in Jamaica. It was built by the French company as part of the Highway 2000 project. Now, the way it worked was the French company built the highway. It was financed partially by them, partially by the government, and they were given the right to collect toll. It's called a concession to collect toll on this road for 35 years. And then after the 35 years, the road will be handed over. The concession ends and the road belongs to the government of Jamaica. That was the formula used to build the highways at the beginning. So this road and the road to Ocho Rios and the road to Mandeville are all toll roads. Highway 2000 was for toll roads to be built. Now, recently, the company that collected the toll, the company that got the concession was Trans Jamaica Highway. And the 35 years would have been halfway up by now. But, okay, we're now driving into Portmore. Recently, Trans Jamaica Highway went public, so they're now on the Jamaica Stock Exchange. So the government paid off the French contractor for building the road, and then they put the shares on the stock market, so they now control the highway. However, toll is still being collected, so I'm not sure what the rationale is behind that. So basically, at the end of the 35 years, the road would go, the concession ends and the road goes back to the Jamaican government. However, partly it's still going to remain a toll road, so you're paying toll on it, I guess, same way to maintain it. The North-South Highway, that concession was 50 years, and that one is still being paid over to the Chinese company that built it. Now, I have no problem with the toll. The only problem is the toll rate keeps going up every year, but that model was very successful, and that's how these highways got started. Now, not every highway in Jamaica is a toll road. The Northern Coastal Highway is not a toll road, and the Southern Coastal Highway that's under construction now is not a toll road. So, to get things going for people to come in and invest, I mean, these highways cost money, hundreds of millions of dollars. So, that was the model used, and it was very successful. It worked very well, and that model was used to build these highways, to build Highway 2000. But the other highways that are being built now are not using that model. They are not toll roads. Alright guys, thanks for watching. Remember to like, share and subscribe. Have a good day.